What is up, guys? We're back with another video. So I just got back from testing out the slave cylinder. It works. We're good. Hopefully there's no more leaks. But we're doing a little appearance mod today. And that is these side skirts. So I got these online. I got them from rspeed.com, I think. They were on sale, $100, so I definitely had to pick them up. And I think they'll look pretty sick. So if we take this, kind of mock it up here, like, that looks pretty dope, if I do say so myself. So let's go ahead and jack the car up, or put the car on these little thingies, jack it up, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we got the car up on jack stands here, and what's good about these side skirts is that, one, it has the holes already drilled, and two, it's got these right here. And these go into the factory bolts that are actually right there. You can kind of see them. So what I'm going to do is unscrew those, and then we should be able to mock it up very nicely. Alright, under the car here, we've got 2 10s and then 1 8. So let's go ahead and get those out. Just trying to shake as much out as I can, just to prevent any future problems with this. Ugh. So the new side skirts actually came with all new hardware here, so this will be very nice. Putting it in, like the splitter that I had, I didn't get any hardware from the previous owner. So with this is very nice and should make it very easy to put on the side skirt. Truck jacks coming in handy once again. Shot there. Honestly, it looks sick. I love it. It's gonna make the car look lower. Like, it's not even that pricey, honestly. That's pretty sick. Hell yeah, and it flows. So I figured I might need these now. This is metal, so we have to, drill some pilot holes, and I should have known, honestly. But I don't want to get any metal in my eye, so we're going to drill these pilot holes, and then we should be good to go. And this one right here is the last one to go in on this side. So all those are in under there. We can tighten those down, and then we should be good to go. All right, here's the final product for the passenger side. That's looking sick. Let's get it from the back here. Hell yeah, it's pretty subtle. Honestly, it's not something crazy. I don't like the huge body kits that go like that all the way around. But I just wanted something subtle, give it a little more of an aggressive look here. Get that front angle. That's looking nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, just because it's easier with all the drilling and everything. I'm first gonna get some lunch. I'm gonna get some lunch, and then I'm gonna get the other side, and it should be pretty awesome. All right, it's the next day, and we finally got the other side skirt on, and I am so excited. It looks so good. Look at that. Don't mind that right there. It's just car's too low to get the jack under there. Hell yeah, that looks so good. Awesome. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. I will see you in the next one.